Okay, thank you. Welcome to East Academia. So today I'm going to show you how to remove document properties and identifying information. So my name is Brian Modena, and now this issue of document properties. What are document properties? So document properties are and identifying information are those details that can relate a given Word document to a certain author. Okay, it can say that this document was written by so and so, and it is not good that you have these document properties and or identifying information you are submitting out to us. So we found it fit that we demonstrate to you here using Microsoft Word how to remove those document properties and other aspects. So now this is an example of a document that was submitted by one person. And I'm just going to address the issue of document properties in this video, and then for the other issues we'll be in corresponding videos. Now, document properties is the easiest thing to remove actually. In fact, it's one thing that you really don't have to struggle and do much. Okay, so to remove document properties, you come here to, and then when you go to File, you come to Info. Okay. Then from Info, you come here, Inspect Document, okay? Here, Check for Issues. I'll just want to highlight that, okay? Here, Inspect Document, okay? So now, currently, you can see that this work was written by somebody called Jose Wairia, okay? And the thing is, you really have to be careful with these document properties, because sometimes these document properties, okay, this author name and the person who modified it usually is the name of the computer that you're working with, okay? So probably his computer is Jose Wairia. So we had an instant whereby the document properties was just a dot, okay? So somebody had named his computer dot, okay? So that one you might easily say that there's no properties, but it is good that you look and ensure that there's no these document properties. So now, what happens now, because you don't want these guys to know that it's actually Wairia who wrote this order, or Dell, sometimes they write HP, sometimes they write admin, sometimes they write, we don't need anything when it comes to this section especially, okay? So what you do, you come to this section here, Inspect Document, okay? So when you go to that section of Inspect Document, there's this drop down arrow that you can see here, Check for Issues. So you click that one, and then you come to Inspect Document, okay? So you give that some time, and then now when you come to Inspect Document, you want to you have to uncheck all these boxes. Just uncheck them. Make sure you scroll down. So for this one, I'm going to start from down here. So I will uncheck all the boxes. So I'll just uncheck that. I will uncheck this one, I'll uncheck this, and then I'll also proceed to uncheck this one and uncheck this one, okay? So the only thing that I'm going to leave checked is document properties and personal information. So once that is the only one, you can just counter check to make sure it's the only one that is checked. Once that one is the only one that is checked, you inspect, okay? You come and inspect, and then you're told document properties and personal information. So document properties is there and the author, so you remove all, okay? So you come to this section, it's called remove, it's written remove all. You click remove all, and then you close. Now what happens now, we can see, now we check what has happened, okay, after what we've done. How is that place now? You're told author, add an author, last modified by not saved yet. So now that is how it's supposed to be, okay? You really don't have to have those document properties. So from this time henceforth, I don't expect that the work you'll be submitting will be having these document properties. And once you've confirmed that there's no author, you save, okay? So that was it about document properties, and that's all. I mean, it's not a big deal, so it's not a thing that I really expect people to be struggling with. And even before you submit your work, just make sure that you confirm. Just come to File, come to Info, and then you check this section. You check this section for document properties and identifying information. And if it's that you're told to add an author not saved yet, then you're good. If it's a dot, HP, Dell, or whatever, that one is, those are properties, so you really have to remove them. Otherwise, if you have any question, you can just ask, but I think it's so straightforward. And then this document now has no document properties. So thank you and have a nice time.